Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm going to discuss or demonstrate partial products multiplication. Now, the thing about partial products multiplication is it deals with actual place value. It's a little bit different from standard multiplication, but it's not as difficult as some may think. Because if you know mental math, multiplying by tens, then this is a lot easier than standard. So let me just show you. So first of all, we have 31 times 92. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take each digit and multiply it by the value of each digit. So here we have 2 in the ones place and we have a 1 in the ones place. So that is simply 2 times 1. Because the value of a 2 in the ones place is 2. The value of a 1 in the ones place is simply 1. Okay. Then we are going to multiply the 2 times this 3 up here. But we're not going to multiply 2 times 3. And the reason being is because this 3 is in the tens place. A 3 in the tens place makes it a 30. So we're going to multiply this 2 in the ones place times the 3 in the tens place. So that is 2 times 30. So far we're going to end up with 2 partial products. Now we are done multiplying with the 2. We're going to move on to this 9. Okay, the 9 is in the tens place. So we're not multiplying 9, we're multiplying 90 because the 9 is in the tens place. So we're going to say 90 times this 1 at the top is in the ones place. So it's just 90 times 1. Then we have a 9 in the tens place. We're going to multiply it by this 3 up here. But the 3 is also in the tens place. So in that case, it is 90 times 30. And it's always a good idea to keep your multiplication for your partial products written on the side. Okay. Now we're going to just simply multiply all of our partial products and we're going to get an answer. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 30. Now when you're multiplying by multiples of 10, pay attention to just the base number. For example, we have a 2 here and a 3 here. So we're going to multiply 2 times 3, that's 6. We're going to count our zeros. We have 1 0, so we're just going to put 1 0 at the end of that 6. That makes it 60. Okay, 90 times 1 is just simply 90. Okay, then we have 90 times 30. And again, when you're multiplying by multiples of 10, first multiply your basic digits, your 9 times your 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And then we count our zeros, 1, 2 zeros, put them at the end. Now what we have here after we got done multiplying, we have what's called partial products. What we have to do with these partial products is add them up and we'll get a final answer for 31 times 92. So I'm going to go off to the side a little bit more and I'm going to add up all our partial products. When adding numbers, make sure that your place values are lined up. So I'm going to start off with my larger number and put that on top. That's just the way that I like to do things. But it doesn't matter as long as your place values are lined up. 2,700 plus 90 plus 60 plus 2. Okay. 0 plus 2 is 2. And then we have 9 plus 6. That's going to give us 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then 2 plus nothing is just 2. So our final answer is 2,852. And if you were to solve this standard, you would get the same answer. All right, I will be sending a picture of this to my parents and students, just for your own reference if you may need help with your week 1 Monday work. And feel free to just, as you need, pause, rewind. If I'm going too fast for you, make sure you're rewinding and take notes as I go. Or you can just wait until afterwards. Like I said, I'll send you a picture of it and you can go ahead and just copy it down at your own pace. But this is the partial products multiplication, and the reason why I like it is because it's a lot easier to multiply by multiples of 10. And you don't have to worry about losing your place whenever you're doing standard multiplication. All right, thank you.